Okay, farm day part 1 of meeting other YouTubers. I got a bunch more to do, but first I'd start with Ryan here from How Farms Work. He's the host of it. I was out here last year, enjoyed it. If you go back to my last year video, he commented on it. I was pretty happy about that. Again, lots of subscribers from it. Hoping to this year. I don't know what else you'd like to add, Ryan, for this video.
Well, do you want me just to talk about the farm day a little bit?
I guess so.
All right. Things went pretty smoothly. I had a pretty steady stream of people all day long, and I'm ready to kind of sit down for a little bit, go over and talk to Wes. And I think the weather's starting to get a little bit cloudy, and I don't know, I'm pretty sure a lot of people had a lot of fun. So we'll see if we do it again next year. Kind of on the fence right now. I'll know more probably in 6 months. It took me 6 months to decide last year, so it'll probably take about that amount of time again. So
okay.
Went pretty well.
Anything else Jamie wants to say?
Hi.
Okay, Jamie's quite
That works.
camera shy, but whoops. And Ryan here, Ethan here from Working on Farms. Thanks for tuning in.